Hey, I ordered the Tack Life test measure and inspect laser distance measure, and I ordered that so I could measure distances in houses when I do some real estate. So I'm going to do an unpackaging of it and kind of go over what it does.
When you first open it, you pull out the contents. You have the Tack Life itself, the owner's manual, the warranty card information, 2 AAA batteries, and the carrying case so you can carry it on your side. So when you actually go to use the device, you've got 6 controls right here. You've got the off button. The big red one is the on button. You just push it once to turn it on. This will help you when you're measuring length, width, height. You want to figure out volume or square foot. This will change your units, and it'll also change whether you're measuring from the front or the back. This will allow you to add, subtract, change the volume, and this button allows you to save. So you can also measure, be a little blurry, but you can measure whether things are square or not. Use the level here. You've got one on this side and one at the bottom. First thing I want to do is make sure, let me see if I can get some better light. Be sure where you're measuring from. In this case, you can see here that I'm measuring from the back of the device. I can change it to midways or the top depending on what I need. And I want to see here what I'm measuring as far as just the length, or if I'm doing square foot or cubic feet. So in this case, I want to change by hitting this button. Scroll through, you can do, this is cubic feet, and you can see here, cubic feet. And there, where it'll give me the square feet. It'll also give you different dimensions, like if you want to measure certain different angles. But we're just going to do square feet for right now. You can see here it'll say square feet. So you use the read button. It'll shoot out a laser at the end of the room. And we just want to push it the first time. And give us 16 foot 8 inches for a length. And put it on this wall. Hit it again. And it'll give us the length that way. So I've got 16 foot 8 inches and 7/16 of an inch by 13 foot 1 inch and 1/16 of an inch. And that gives me 218.73 square feet. Now if I want, I can save this by pushing this button, or I can just clear it out. It clears out one at a time. And then I can start again. Remember, you can always adjust it by holding down this button to whatever you need. And you'll see what's going on right here. And the U button, you can change the units by holding it down. Give it to you in feet, in meters. Measure it in just inches. I believe there's 6 different settings on this. This is the one I always choose. And I can push it one time, and you'll see it allows me to change from the top to the bottom. And that's pretty much all there is to this tool. You'll see the laser will be on if you push the button one time, and you can measure. But if you don't want the laser on there anymore, you just hit the off clear button, and to turn it off you just hold down the off clear button. And that's pretty much what it is. So you can get it. I'll have a link below if you're looking for one like this and do some comparison research on it.